How to password protect Wix website. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to password protect Wix website. So first of all you have to do is just simply open the Wix website that you are editing, and after that on the left hand side menu you will be able to see a bunch of different options. Just simply click on the third option which says pages and menu. Just simply tap on it and the setting option will open up for you. And under the site menu section, you will be able to see a bunch of different options like home, welcome, blog, file shares, members, etc. Just simply click on blog section, click on the three dot menu icon from there and go to the settings option from there. And over here you have a bunch of different options like page info, layout, permissions, SEO basics. Just simply click on the permission section from the list over here. And after that you have different options like everyone. If you keep your settings to everyone can access this particular website. And if you want to password protect it, you just simply have to come to the middle section over here. And you also have the option called site members, so you can select as per your liking. Since you want to password protect your Wix website, just simply tap on it and over here you can enter the password whatever you like. And you can set this particular password, and after that whenever you will open this website, this will ask you to open with this particular password right here. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.